We're starting out with the healing angels, Divine Collective. The healing angels are surrounding many of you right now. Heavy, heavy energy lifting slowly off your shoulders, I feel, Divine Collective. The healing angels are surrounding you, okay? Telling you to not carry what isn't yours. A lot of you should start to feel like a heavy energy lifting off of your shoulders here. This is what the angels are telling me, okay? You're going to feel this. Do not carry what is not yours, Divine Collective. I'm getting a thriving, successful business here. Congratulations. Period of solitude and introspection. So after this period of solitude and introspection, Divine Collective, I feel like it's like you're going to feel refreshed in a way, because as I see this energy lifting off of your shoulders, I see so many of you taking a deep breath in and just right back out and just feeling like you have a blank canvas, Divine Collective. That's just how I'm feeling in the moment, okay? So a lot of you have went within, okay? And you've made a plan of some sort. Something about a plan. You've come up with a plan on what you want to do next. And as I always tell you, Divine Collective, all you need is a simple plan. It does not have to be elaborate. You don't have to sit there, and if you want to, you can. That's even better. You don't have to just have details for every little thing. Just have a plan. You know, let the universe know that you're serious. Generate that energy by putting your time, energy, and effort into what it is that you're doing. And as you're doing that, you're generating the energy so that the universe can reciprocate that, Divine Collective, okay? Things are starting to expand for you. This is such a good reading, such good energy surrounding this reading. Things are expanding for you. I'm getting fearless, Divine Collective. The Hermit. Yes, a lot of you are coming out of hermit or isolation here, Divine Collective. A lot of you have went within. You've come up with a plan here on, you know, what it is that you want to do moving forward. I'm getting an investigator. A lot of you have went within to investigate here. Careful examination, wisdom in the search for understanding, Spirit is telling me. All right, so you're doing the work, Divine Collective. That's what I'm getting out of this. You're on the right path. You're exactly where you need to be, okay? But because you're doing the work, you have someone here in their energy that is mad at you. Maybe it is that you make it look so effortless, Divine Collective. Maybe it is that you've just changed so much so quickly that people just cannot believe it because of the rapid change. Whatever the case may be, Spirit says that they need to be fighting their own shadows and be less concerned about what it is you have going on. You've made it, Divine Collective. These are people that are too consumed with watching you that they have completely just disregarded their own path, Divine Collective. They need to be fighting their own shadows, Spirit says. Going out of town, I'm getting career stability here. Divine Collective, there's been some type of psychological manipulation here, confusion, emotional warfare surrounding this situation. What's this about, Spirit? Okay, someone trying to stop you from elevating. They wanted you to lose your spiritual protection, Divine Collective, all your opportunities. They did not want you to elevate. There has been psychological manipulation, confusion, and emotional warfare because you were never supposed to elevate, have these opportunities that you have coming in now, Divine Collective. Like this year ahead is going to be so smooth, I feel. 4:41 on the clock. You have such a powerful intuition, Divine Collective. Your intuition just keeps getting more and more powerful. Love yourself. Love yourself, Spirit is saying, okay? No reconciliation from people from your past. No reconciliation. You are on a completely different timeline. You know what's wild is yesterday I was scrolling, Divine Collective, and I just have to talk about this real quick. There were a lot of people noticing that they were not on the same timeline anymore. And what I mean by that is there was a specific creator who posted Joel Osteen's biography. And before they shut CERN down, I believe, you know, his biography page said Joel Osteen, right? His name, what we've always known him as. He's a preacher, right? I'm not really sure. But, and then after CERN shut down, the same person, his name has changed on the internet, Divine Collective. Instead of Joel Osteen, it's Joel Osteen without the L. And someone picked up on that and brought it to the internet's attention and was like, what is this all about? It's because we're on a different timeline, Divine Collective. Now, I gotta be careful what I say. I've never seen Joel Osteen as much of a human, okay? Even before I was awakened, I've had this gift to be able to see Divine Collective. I just didn't know what it was, okay? But if I look into this man's face, I don't see a human. It doesn't bother me. You know, I'm not going to go around talking about, look, do you guys see what I see? No, I don't do that. I don't do that, Divine Collective. But, yeah, that just popped up in my mind, how we're on different timelines. And you guys may be picking up on things that are a little confusing and questioning yourself. Just know that you're on a different timeline, okay? Critical information, Divine Collective. The more we ascend, the more we expose. CPS, someone was telling lies to get your children taken away, Divine Collective. Still? I feel like we should have moved past this, karmics. Come on now. Come on. CPS, lies to get your children taken away. You have a lot of ideas here bearing concrete fruit. You've planted a lot of seeds, Divine Collective, and now they're starting to grow here. Someone's admiration turned into an obsession. Never stop praying for your kids, Divine Collective. Those prayers, follow them everywhere you can't. Okay? Healing begins when we stop staring at what has been lost and begin appreciating what still remains. That's really big on your journey, Divine Collective, okay? As I feel like I've always been one who had to work with the bare minimum, right? I've always told you guys my stories. I'm proud of my story. I'm proud that I pushed through, Divine Collective, because so many times in my life when I didn't have what I felt I needed, I quit. I gave up. I didn't move forward, okay? But when it came to how God was guiding me with my cards and tarot and writing and all that, I didn't let that get to me. It was like I had this willpower, Divine Collective, that only God could have placed inside of me, especially at that time in my life when I was just awakening. You know, things where I was still working off old karmic debt, Divine Collective, so it felt like I was just in a period of bad luck, right? But you know, I let God guide me, and I had everything that I needed. Even if it didn't look like it, anytime I needed something, I had it. It may have not been the best of the best of the best, but I had what I needed in order to do what it was that God was guiding me to do, okay? You are in alignment with who you are, Divine Collective. The full moon is of significance. Divine Collective, I don't know what was going on yesterday, but I was mesmerized by, I can't even tell you if it was the moon or the sun. Divine Collective. It was bright orange red. Okay, a color I've never seen in all of my 40 years here, Divine Collective, that I can recall. Okay, so what's going on? I'm getting the full moon here, the full moon. Take action on your ideas, Divine Collective, okay? Take action on all of